In my humble opinion, the current RC hobby is built on those two things. Maybe not drones, because we rather do not use those two on drones, but everywhere around the airplanes, foamies, structure, balsa and whatever, the hot glue and the hot glue gun is like the best invention ever. Really, like amazing. The things you can do with hot glue gun is just like it opens the brand new area of possibilities. Just like the engineering, the duct tape and WD-40 build the modern engineering, that's hot glue gun is building the RC hobby when we are talking about foamies, airplanes, boat, cars and like that. Amazing stuff. Unfortunately though, I kinda discovered, or rather was disappointed that majority of the hot glue guns are actually crap. After like looking for a hot glue gun, I finally settled on this thing, which is sold by Lidl in the Europe from time to time. It's not the best. It's not the best though. It's fine. It has a huge advantage of having the ball valve in the nozzle, so it's not dripping. It has the connector over here. Where's the okay, I'm losing it. Oh no, I'm not losing. It has a connector on the bottom. You can connect this and connect this. It's pretty decent hot glue gun. Not a perfect though, because the feeding mechanism is kind of slippery. Sometimes it's like bubbling inside. It's not perfect. I always knew that there could be something better. When like 3 weeks ago company contacted me, hey Paweł, we would like to cooperate with you on the hot glue guns. We have this cool hot glue gun. Would you like to review it? Not this one though. I said, yeah, sure, send me one, because I was really looking for a better hot glue gun than this. And I assume that this hot glue gun that I would receive would be the one that uses those 1 mm thick sticks. Imagine my, let's say, disappointment when instead of something of this size, something that small arrived. I was, what? Come on, this is too small. What exactly am I looking at? Oh, this looks so shitty. This is really very bad device. How did I went into this situation? Well, I will have to review this crappy gun. But surprise! After 2.5 weeks of using this gun instead of this gun, I honestly can say that this is better. This is much better than this one, and I also have to say that those smaller sticks are better when we are in the RC hobby than those big 1 cm guns. Why? Good reason. This thing, which is Teleswall, the name is very Chinese, but the link to the stuff is in the description. The thing has the same power, 50 watts, as this thing. Smaller, thinner glue, and it has a switch. Come on, amazing! I really realize why nobody puts a switch on those guns, like here, anywhere. It would be so awesome to have the switch, and also this one doesn't have it, this one doesn't have it either. Why not to put temperature setting over there? It's not like rocket science. The best thing though about this thing that has 50 watts power is that it really heats up extremely fast. They say 3 minutes. I'm not sure if we're gonna wait for 3 minutes, but after how much time passed? Okay, not yet. Let's say a minute passed. It's still relatively warm, but this thing really heats up twice as fast as this thing, has the same power as this thing, smaller radius on the stick. That means it's able to melt the glue faster than this thing, and either though it does not have the ball valve in the nozzle, it's not dripping. I'm not sure how they did that. Maybe it's lower temperature or some kind of design special in the nozzle for a relatively small price, because I think this is about 15-16 euros. And after, oh, you see, immediately it really heats up thanks to this 50 watt power immediately. And the best part, after putting this like that, it's not dripping. And because it's the same power but thinner stick, it's really like smooth flowing everywhere. This is one of those few cases when I was expecting to be having to write a negative review of something, or just write to the company that I'm sorry, but I cannot make a positive review of something. I really have to say it's amazing. But if this thing only had the temperature switch, so you after all can control the temperature, because when you are working with foams you really want to have as low temperature on the hot glue gun as possible, it would be really super stuff. And because it's really small, it really like you have a control over the layer of the glue. Starting from today, those big, yeah, if you are a carpenter, then maybe. If you are doing something that's slightly more precise than putting a carpet somewhere or gluing like two pieces of wood, especially in the RC, the smaller one is just better. If this has enough power and it's well, good enough made, love it. Really, really love it. Anyhow, that's all for today. The link to the gun is in the description. There also should be some kind of discount coupon for this. And if you are looking for a decent gun that really works and is precise and it's well made, yeah, I can recommend this one. It's a good gun. Although it's not those thick sticks, but thinner ones, it's really a good gun. I'm really surprised I said this, because originally, what? No, it's too small, it sucks, but then, yeah, it's good. Not always the first impression is the correct one. That's all for today, on to the next one. Bye!